Practicing conscious breathing every day really helps your nervous system. I find it's the best tool for me whenever I'm feeling a bit stressed. I just breathe in through the nose for 5, out for 5, nice and deep in my belly, hold out for 5. And usually if I do 4 of those in a row and really calm myself, it doesn't matter what stress I'm going through, whether I'm having an argument with my beautiful wife, or my son's having a tantrum, or I'm having an argument with someone on the phone about something, or something stressful. You can change all of that, so it's no longer an argument. It's just a discussion, because if you don't get upset, there is no argument. Arguments are something where there's a negative emotion involved, but whereas a discussion is just something where you're just talking about things and you see it objectively. So I find that ability to calm my nervous system and bring it back into a rest digest state, regardless of the situation, allows for me to make clearer decisions, and allows for me to not get personal or feel that I need to be defensive about any attack on me or anything negative. It's just what's going on for them. It doesn't mean that it's a personal attack, it just means that's what they're feeling. And even if it feels like it for you, usually people want to be loving and caring to those around them. They don't want to hurt anyone, they're just expressing what's going on for them. But as someone that wants to coach, lead, and help others, a really simple tool is to just step back, breathe, take your time, and calm your nervous system and really hear the needs behind the judgments, the needs behind the anger. And anger is just fear expressed poorly. So when someone gets angry, they're scared and they don't know how to ask for something in a nice way, or they're scared that they're not going to get it if they try to ask that way. So they're just getting aggressive. But it doesn't work. It can never work. Because if someone's doing something because they're fearful of someone, because they're angry with them, it's never going to last, because the second you're not scared by them, you just go back to doing what you're going to do. So those methods of trying to change the world around you will never work. Dictatorship will never work. People need to be inspired. And if you want to inspire others, you've got to be inspirational. And you've got to be strong within yourself. And real strength is being calm under fire. Real strength is not being the one that reacts, the one that listens, hears, and feels what's being said behind the aggression and what's being said behind the nervousness or the anxiety of somebody else, and not getting involved with that, but just getting to the root cause or the need for their violence or their behavior that's not that great. That is one part of the breathing. The other part is just calming your nervous system to put you in a good state, in a clear mind, to digest food, to study, to just look after yourself, to nurture yourself every day. It's easy to get anxious. It's easy to get just worked up and get excited even, where you're doing damage to yourself because you're always in that state. Social media is addictive, and it's something that people just get this constant hit from, and they don't realize that they're just stimulating their brain too much. And you need to step back, take a breath, and really feel what's going on in you, and just enjoy your life and not feel the anxiety and not go into anxiety, because it's only going to lead in stress in the body, which leads to disease. So you can have the best food, the best exercise program, the best sleeping pattern, but you're not sleeping properly because you're not deep sleeping, because your subconscious mind is processing all the stuff that's going on, and your mind is not at ease. So even though you might be eating good food, you're still getting stress hormones that are elevating, and that's still causing damage. And you can stay overweight just from blood sugar going up because you're stressed out, because that's raising blood sugar, raising insulin and storing fat, even though you're eating perfectly. So getting your mind clear and relaxed and calm, huge benefit.